Welcome to our CommBox Connect training video. In this video, we're going to take a look at the features and settings of CommBox Connect, as well as show you how to connect through the app. To begin, let's open the CommBox Connect app on the screen. This can be found on the home screen, side menu, or app launcher, depending on how you have your screen configured. Let's check to ensure the application is up to date. Tap on Menu, then About. The application will automatically check for any updates and will prompt you if needed. There are multiple settings we can configure as well. Tap on Menu again, and this time, tap on Settings. In here, you can configure your CommBox Connect app in multiple ways. You can allow devices to make a quick connection. This means they will be able to connect using the device name rather than a code. You can allow devices with different Wi-Fi to connect. This is a great way to keep your organization secure. This means you don't need to allow guests onto your organization's private network in order for them to connect to a screen. Permission mode is also a great way to ensure security. When you toggle this on, each device that requests to share must be accepted or rejected on the screen. If you would like to support native Miracast, Chromecast, and AirPlay, ensure these are toggled on. You can change your device name so that it's easy to find. If it's something you'll use often, also toggle on Start on Boot. If required, you can adjust the code refresh rate for security purposes. You can switch this to the interval you desire. You can also change the floating window size so it's normal, mini, or closed altogether. Screen Group allows you to cast your personal device to multiple CommBox screens. This is great for a large space with multiple screens. Under Devices, you'll be able to see what devices are currently connected to your CommBox screen. From here, you'll be able to select a device to begin to share. You can share files wirelessly from the CommBox screen to your personal device. You can also allocate a screen share to have admin rights and takeover control. Finally, you can disconnect a device from the screen. To connect to your CommBox screen through the CommBox Connect app, you'll first need to download the CommBox Connect app onto your personal device. To do this, you can go to the user guide and scan the QR code on the screen, or visit cc.commbox.com.au/downloads and follow the instructions to install. Once you have the CommBox Connect app open, you can connect using the code at the top of the screen, or you can make a quick connection by clicking the name of the screen. Once you are connected, you have a number of choices. You can screen share by clicking Start. From here, you have the option to share your desktop, extend your screen, or share an individual window. Desktop Sync will mirror the screen back to your personal device. Under Devices, you will need to toggle on Authorized Control to enable touchback. You can share files between the screen and your device. This is a great way to share meeting notes, lesson details, or to send presentations to the screen to interact with. We do recommend setting up permission mode if the file sharing is something you'd like to do, just for an additional level of security. You also have additional privacy settings under Privacy Desktop. In here, you can select to hide notifications when you're screen sharing. You can also hide certain apps. For example, I have hidden Microsoft Teams, so any messages I receive will appear on my laptop, but not on the CommBox screen. Great for additional security so no one sees your email notifications or chat messages. For other ways to screen share, please check out our video library. Thanks for watching. You're now all ready to screen share with CommBox Connect.